Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
If you do it, we will be back here to give you tickets. But you don't want to start with, I'm telling you now.
A battle. I didn't try to start a battle.
You don't want us, being upset with you either, right? You don't want cops looking out to come over here and check everything out. Are you filming me or something?
Yes, you are being recorded. We're not committing any violation.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features a video from Joker Kid, and while the video is 8 years old, it still has overwhelming relevance. And as James Freeman recently mentioned,
I'm documenting the downfall of a civilization. Have we not shown enough times that we don't actually have rights?
in this video, one of the men had bought a car with a friend with the intent of fixing it up. The day after the sale, they were getting ready to wash the vehicle when two uniformed members of the Garden City Police Department in New York arrived on scene.
Is there a problem?
Yeah.
What is that?
Problem being, your neighbor doesn't like you.
That's not my fault.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it is when he starts calling you about things being done here that goes against the village ordinance.
Such as?
Such as doing any kind of work here or any kind of detailing, like washing the car and things like that. You're not allowed to do it.
That's,
on your own property?
That's the law.
That's it.
Yeah. It is.
Come on. I don't make this shit up. I ain't just driving down the street to come over here and make your calls, okay? I got a call from my lieutenant to come over here. Water violations, washing motor vehicles, rugs, furniture prohibited in public place.
This is a private area.
This is a private residential
Yeah, this
property.
is a private home.
Okay, that's what you say. It's still in public view.
You want to get the deed to the house that says it's private?
It's a private area.
You know what, guys? You do what you gotta do.
Okay.
If you do it, we will be back here to give you tickets. All right? The parents tickets go to court. So I'm advising you. You guys want to do something?
If you want to give us the ticket, you should give it to us now because we do
it. Let's start doing some work, and then you'll have your ticket. Okay?
But it said public place.
This is not a public place.
Oh, by the way, what was the name again under the car? Oh, Eric Gier. That's the car we got. The guy we got in Connecticut, by the way.
You have that other car here. You always park with those plates that are mismatched on the car. Yeah. You get away with it for a while.
What? Oh, well, it's a car bought between me and my friend.
He bought this car yesterday.
What state?
Connecticut.
The name under the title is Eric Gier. Me and my friend did. By the way, the name under the car is Eric Gier in Connecticut.
This is a battle that you don't want to start with. I'm telling you now.
A battle. I didn't try to start a battle.
All right, I'm trying to tell you guys ahead of time. If you want to push the issue,
No, I mean
I'll call my bosses down.
I don't understand what the issue is.
We'll be here. Everybody will be here.
I completely understand. So, no, we're
There's no issue.
I'd rather not go through.
There's no issue going on. There's nothing wrong happening.
What's your name, by the way?
Jonathan Schmidt.
John, you don't want us, being upset with you either, right? You don't want cops looking out to come over here and check everything out. Are you filming me or something?
Yes, you are being recorded.
The guy down the block, though, he washes his Corvette almost every other day. No one hassles him about it.
Then somebody has to call it. Your neighbors called us. I'm here to check out something.
At this moment, we are not washing the car.
No, you're not.
So we are not committing any violation.
And that's what I told you before.
Right.
I said, you don't want anything wrong. I'm advising you that this is what your neighbors saying is going on. I am advising you that if you do this in the future, then it is against the violation.
I appreciate that. I'll take that into account.
Right?
I'll take that into account. I appreciate it.
Okay. I'm very happy to hear that.
Okay.
Okay?
Have a good day.
the main concern here is that the government doesn't want you running a commercial business out of your driveway, which shouldn't be any of their business anyway. But Joker Kid wasn't, and verified that he had just purchased the car the day prior. The officer was still confident that the law prohibited him from washing his car in the driveway because it could be seen from public. If it's illegal to wash cars anywhere the public can see, then these car washes are part of a large criminal organization with enough power to keep the government from shutting them down. Perhaps they're working hand in hand with the FBI, CIA, and ATF. TTF. Overall, aside from initiating violence for a civil complaint, this video shows almost everything wrong with law enforcement today. Not only did the officer have a complete misunderstanding of the law, but even after it was pointed out to him, he was either too obtuse or egotistical to accept his misgivings. Then he all but threatened Joker Kid by inferring that resisting unlawful orders would create a battle between him and the police department. And finally, let's imagine the state actually did have a law that said you couldn't wash your car, couch, or rug on your own property. Such a law is an obvious violation of an individual's civil and property rights. And as long as the individual's actions didn't infringe on another or their property, then the government should have no interest in manufacturing laws to cause harm to a homeowner. But some people will still comment below that the officer was just doing his job. But just doing my job didn't work during the Nuremberg trials, and it shouldn't be a legitimate defense for you either. Any officer that enforces laws that they would concede to be unjust or unconstitutional is a tyrant and has no business serving the public. But that's what you see happening here, and still to this day across the entire map. And come on man, move your car. There's no need to block the streets in a vehicle with no emergency lights on a 100% non-emergent call. Be sure to head over to Joker Kid's channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.